So how would you know if you're low?
Well, that's the problem. And so outside of a bone biopsy to see what the levels of minerals are there, some you can check using specific blood tests that are done in a certain way, but in many cases it's virtually impossible to know if you're truly depleted or not.
Would it be a bad idea to go ahead and try some mineral supplements and see
And
if it makes you feel good?
Exactly, and that's why so many people, they're like, I'm not sure what's wrong, but I just don't feel great. I don't feel right. I don't have what I think I need. I think it's a brilliant idea to just try one bottle of the daily minerals, use it daily, just like the directions say, and that's a good trial. And then after a few days, which it won't take long, if you're deficient in anything, you're going to start to feel better. And you're going to be like, oh yeah, and it may not be a specific thing that gets better. Very often it's kind of ephemeral, like, I don't know, overall I feel better. And most people are very happy when that happens, because feeling better in any way is better than feeling bad in any way.